So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to apply to all in CapCut. So first of all, go to CapCut.com. After that, you can see in the top left, create new. Click on that. You will see video, image, and magic tools. So go to video so you can see blank canvas, some aspect ratios underneath, so choose one of these. Once you've clicked on that, it's going to take you to your video editor, and on here you can see media and you can add videos to them, or you can just go to templates and try some effects out with this as well. So you can see I've added two videos, this template and this muted video. And if I wish to click on this, and you can see here basic background animations as well as speed, go to basic. Now on here I've just clicked on color adjustment. You can choose some other options like blend and so on. So let's choose color adjustment and choose the temperature to be a bit warmer. So if I click on this and I click on apply to all, this is really going to be applied to even that other clip. As you can see, I've clicked on this clip and you can see the color adjustment is going to shoot to 20 as well. If I go to this and click on apply to all, this is going to be a bit warmer as well on here, as you can see. So that's how you can use the apply to all feature. So you go to adjustment, and any video that is in the same line is going to have the same setup. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on CapCut or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.